గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు మనం చెప్పుకోబోయేటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాన్యువల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి కూడా. సో కాబట్టి మీరందరూ కూడా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి. వన్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లిజన్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్లీ. సో టుడేస్ అవర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ షో దట్ the motion of a simple pendulum is simple harmonic and hence derive an equation for its time period. What is seconds pendulum? So first of all, ఇందులో 3 parts మనం చూడవచ్చు. Show that the motion of a simple pendulum is simple harmonic. So simple harmonic motion is nothing but what? First of all, we are seeing, so simple harmonic motion is nothing but what we are finding, sir? How could you state? A is directly proportional to its displacement and they are having an opposite direction. When we removing the proportional, A is equal to minus omega square x. Here omega square in this point we are taken, sir, that is a constant. A is the acceleration of a particle, x is the displacement of the particle, and omega square is a constant in this. Actually omega is the angular frequency, right? Now first line, in this case, show that the motion of a simple pendulum is simple harmonic. Now see here in our diagram clearly we are observing, sir, it's the one of the heavy metallic bob suspended by a thread with rigid support. Then when it moves to and fro motion at point B, what will happen? Let us consider a simple pendulum of length L. Mass is m, suspended from a rigid support as shown in the figure. Let the bob makes an angle theta with the vertical at an instant. What will happen? At point B, this bob of weight mg can be resolved into 2 components. What's there? One is mg cos theta and another one is mg sin theta. This mg resolved into 2 components along vertical at the point of forward direction mg cos theta. One component mg cos theta balances the tension force and the other component mg sin theta provides restoring force. This one is, so here theta is very small in this, compare these two. So restoring force is equal to F is equal to, that's having in opposite direction, that value is becomes minus mg sin theta. See here all of you, right? Yeah. Now but we know from Newton's second law, what is the value? F is equal to ma. So here F is equal to minus mg, F is equal to ma. Compare these two, ma is equal to minus mg sin theta. Here m terms are cancelled, so remaining term is a is equal to minus g sin theta. But here sin theta is very small, na sir? See here in this diagram. So mg in this, whatever the angle between there, these two, ee renditi madhyalo angle edaithe undo, that's very small. So sin theta we are taken very small, so that's why sin theta is equals to theta. Then a is equal to minus g into sin theta becomes theta. Now also here x is nothing but displacement is nothing but what, sir? Arc length. This arc length is equal to, one formula is there here, what is that? Radius into angle. What is the radius here? L. Arc length is equal to x into theta. So that is the formula. Actually here x value is L theta. From this we are finding theta is equal to x by L. Now a is equal to minus g of, replace of theta, what we are writing here? Theta is equal to what? X by L. Substitute this value in this equation, x by L. Now a is equal to minus of g by L of x. This is, we are considering a. Here what we'll observe, g by L is constant term. So finally you easily we are getting, so this a value is comparing with this minus x, so is equal to, a is directly proportional to minus x is nothing but Hence, the motion is simple harmonic. Understood, sir? Now, question is derivation. From these, we are finding the time period. Time period is denoted with a T. What is the mean of time period? Time taken to complete one oscillation. That is time period. If omega is angular velocity of the bob, then its acceleration a is equal to minus omega square x. This is considering b. Here a and b, compare once. A is equal to minus g of x by l. This is a term, and a is equal to minus omega square x, b term. Compare these two means replace of a is same, xx is same, xx is same. Then what will happen? Xx is same means what will happen? So remaining omega square is equal to g by l. From this what we are finding? Omega is equal to root g by l. So actually time period formula is what? 2 pi by omega. We already finding the omega value. Substitute this equation. ఇక్కడ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే ఒమేగా వాల్యూ ఫార్ములా టైం పీరియడ్ ఏంటి? t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పై బై ఒమేగా. ఈ ఒమేగా వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే విల్ గెట్ టైం పీరియడ్ 2 బై రూట్ ఎల్ బై జీ. ఫైనల్లీ సెకండ్స్ పెండులం. సెకండ్స్ పెండులం అంటే ఏందమ్మా? ఏ పెండులం, సింపుల్ పెండులం with time period t is equal to 2 seconds is called seconds pendulum. అంటే టైం పీరియడ్, ఆ పెండులము ఒక కంప్లీట్ వన్ ఆసిలేషన్ చేయడానికి తీసుకునే టైం ఎంత అండి? t is equal to 2 seconds. That is called as seconds pendulum. Okay, thank you.